All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So dodge, whoop, dodge a bullet. Yeah, bullet. So to avoid a situation, a scenario, avoid something. Avoid something by accident, by chance, just by chance. By chance. Let's try and get a picture by chance. Yeah. Just by chance. That turned out to be bad. Yeah. Whoo. Yeah. So to avoid something by chance that ended up being bad. Like this thing, it looks good, but later on it was bad, and I didn't get it by chance. Yeah. So I dodged a bullet. Yeah. So I went to an interview to a games company years ago, and I dodged a bullet because I heard that they were a bad company. Yeah. I heard they were a bad company. Whew. So I could have been part of the team, but I dodged the bullet because I was never hired. Yeah. I dodged the bullet as I was never hired, so I never worked for the company. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Very good. So by not going there, I dodged a bullet. I dodged a bullet because I was never there when it happened. I dodged a bullet because I was never at the scene of the crime. Yeah, simple as that. How cool is that? I think you dodged a bullet by missing that train. Yeah. So I was once going to London on an early train. Okay. I got the second train in the morning. It was a 5 a.m. train. Okay, yeah, 5 a.m., something like that. But the 4:50 a.m. train was derailed as it was entering London. Yeah, went off the tracks. I dodged a bullet because I chose not to get that train, but the second one instead. The second train, the 5 a.m. train, not the 4:50. So I dodged a bullet. Something bad ultimately in the end happened, and because I was never there, it never affected me. Yeah. Because I was never there, it never affected me. Yeah, I dodged a bullet. Whew. Yeah, it could have been bad. But because it never affected me, it was not bad. Yeah. Whew. How cool is that? Yeah. So little did I know, but I dodged a bullet that night. By not going to the meeting, I dodged a bullet. Yeah. Whew. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use dodged a bullet in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian And on Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, and Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.